Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Yellow pig? Oh, let's go. Let's learn colors with me. Yellow pig. Wow. And today we have a car. I think it's ambulance. Green. So we're making a green ambulance by Play-Doh. Wow, green ambulance by Play-Doh. Purple. Purple ambulance. Good job. Yellow. Yellow.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
Wow.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my
Yellow ambulance. Yellow.
Skip to my loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo.
Wow. So awesome. Awesome. Blue.
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo,
Blue.
moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Blue ambulance. Blue. Very nice. Blue. And here, red.
Little red wagon,
Red. My God. Red. My voice like a kid. Okay. I can't believe that I have that voice. Red. Wow. Red ambulance. Whoa. Green here. Purple here. Yellow here. Blue here and red here. Wow, awesome. Check it out again. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Bye.